friends. Miss Heidi's back from outside collecting her nature items. This is part 2 of nature painting. Here, remember, we found a pine tree branch. So, some facts about nature. For our toddler friends out there, my Comet Room friends, and for our older children also watching Miss Heidi do a nature painting. So here's another tip we can use. All our nature items are just like us. They're unique and special. They have different ways they feel. So explore the items you found. How do they feel? So how does this feel? Feel pointy, bumpy? Is it soft? Is it hard? So a stick we found. See the little knots? How does that feel? Is it soft or is it bumpy? Some questions for my parents and moms and dads and parents and even older kids. You can ask my little Comet Room friends. You can observe and see how they're grasping the items as they're doing this activity, how they're interacting with the different items. So here, do you remember this one, friends? It's a gray rock. Is a rock soft or is it hard? Smooth or bumpy? Some rocks are bumpy and jagged. Some are smooth. And remember our little flower here with the white and the yellow colors? Kiss your brain if you remember the colors and what they are. You're so smart. Feel it. So we can learn things from our senses. Smell it. We don't eat it though. Flowers, and we're not eating the flowers or the rocks. We're looking at them and feeling them. So I have my items here. And here is the next step in our nature painting. You can choose any color paper you would like. I chose white. You can choose construction paper, red, blue, green, yellow, whatever color you like. And I've got my paper. Now you're going to need some paints. I have some paints here, all different colors. Yellow, see if you can guess this one. This one's black. If you said black, kiss your brain, my Comet Room friends. Here is a green. Kiss your brain, Comet Room friends, if you got green. It's kind of a bright lime green. That will be fun. And this one, look here. White. If you said white, kiss your brain. And I have these neat little colors. This is washable paint, so it will wash out. I have some glitter for my friends who like glitter paint. So I have some glitter paint. What's this color? Orange. And this color is purple. And I have another color here, blue. So Miss Heidi You can do it on a box. I got a paper plate where I put my paint on to experiment with my nature items. Um, all right, friends. So I have here, I am going to experiment with my pine tree branch. Okay, my friends, my Comet Room friends at home, older kids, you can try this too. See Miss Heidi, how she's pressing it? Can you press your item in there? In the paint? I put it in the white paint. I'm going to try white. What do you think is going to happen next when you place it on the paper? I'm placing it on the paper. Oh, look! It put a wet spot on the paper. What color is that wet spot? Did you say white? Kiss your brain. You're so smart. And look, the pine needles on the leaf made some lines in the paint and went onto the paper. So let's try dipping it into, the paint. I'm going to try purple. Oh, I see you dipping it in the paint. Do you see Miss Heidi dipping it in the paint? Now see if you can try like Miss Heidi and make a line with it. Take it like a stick. Oh, my little. And see if we can draw lines. See Miss Heidi drawing a line? See if you can make a mark on your paper. Draw a line with it like a pencil or a pen. Look, friends, Miss Heidi made marks on the paper. What color are those marks I made? Do you remember? If you said purple, kiss your brain. Okay, friends. Let's see. I am going to try the flower. Is it soft? I'm going to press it into the yellow and I'm going to see what happens next. What happens next when I put a flower on the paper? I'm pressing it down. Oh, look, the flower stuck to the paper. Let's see what happens when we pull it off. Look, what color did that make? It's yellow. And look, it looks like it has a shape. What is round? It looks like, did you say circle? If you said circle, kiss your brain. You're so smart. So for my older friends out there, my older and moms and dads, you can ask questions about what they're making. You can take your nature and create pictures. So Miss Heidi is pressing this rock into some yellow paint. Now she's going to take that same little yellow rock and turn it around. She's going to dip it in some white. See, I put it some white paint. And we can ask, what are you painting? Or what can you create with your nature items? And talk and explore about the different. So Miss Heidi, look, she took the stick and she put green paint on it. And now I'm going to I just press the stick onto the green stick onto the paper. See if you can guess what she's making a picture of. And now I'm pressing it again. All right. Are you ready? Here comes the surprise. I made a flower. So all my older friends out there watching, my Comet Room friends and I, you can take nature items and paint pictures with them. And this I can give to a mommy for Mother's Day. Be a nice little Mother's Day gift. A nice little fun way to learn and to feel and explore colors, paints, numbers, sizes, shape. So look in the middle how that rock, what did that make? How round that is. It's a circle. And I used the rocks to press down yellow petals for the flowers. And I used a green stick to make the stem and the leaves of the flower. So all kinds of ways you can make pictures, explore and learn about nature, how they feel, what questions you need to ask. My little Comet Room friends is how are they interacting with you? What words are they using? How are they exploring the items? What colors? You can use counting. And you can use this for your older children and for you, moms and dads. This is a fun little way, a little art picture. Discover different ways you can explore nature and learning and with paint. Until next time, for my Comet Room friends, I wish you well. Have fun painting and have fun exploring all the different uh, nature items out there in our pretty world right now as spring is coming upon us. Bye.